Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to my new video. Today I am going to show you the best software ever through which you can optimize your PC or laptop. Really, I am not joking. This video is not clickbait. So, the name of the app is iAbit Driver Booster. Note that this is a premium software, but in my next video I will show how to use it for free or how to crack without any further delay. Let me show you. You can see I am opening it. Takes some time to open. Now you can see it successfully opened. On the left side you can see 4 tabs. I will show you about that in this video. This software is famous for updating drivers too. Now click on scan to see if you have outdated drivers. Here, you can see I have 2 outdated drivers. One is of my game controller and sound device, and another is my device printer. Well, I am not going to update it now, I will do that later. But, most of my drivers are updated. Now let's go to the Boost tab. Here, you can see 2 different options. One is Game Boost and another is System Optimize. Let me turn off Game Boost and tell you how it works. Game Boost releases your RAM by stopping unnecessary apps so that more RAM will be freed and you can have more better game experience while playing games. You can clearly see I have freed 618 MB RAM by stopping 10 apps. Now let's go to the Tools tab. This tab is very useful if your PC is in problem. You can see I am removing unplugged devices trashes which will free up my storage. Here are 8 options in which every option is very helpful to your PC optimization. Among them, Rescue Center and Fix Devices Error are the best. Each and every option works very fine. Here I am repeating, this app requires money to run it without limitations, but I promise I will upload my next video tomorrow about how to crack it and use for free. This video is not a sponsored video. You can contact me through my email and make sure to subscribe my channel and suggest me what kind of video I make. Thanks for watching.